the military wants you to forget how old this weapon really is. Designed over a century ago in 1918, the M2 Browning is perhaps the most reliable heavy machine gun ever created. Firing the massive 50 BMG round, it can destroy vehicles and light armor from incredible distances. This legendary weapon, nicknamed Ma Deuce, has served in every major conflict since World War I and remains in active service across the globe today. Its enduring design proves that sometimes the oldest technology is the best,